Good morning, viewers. I am Saraswathi from CST department. I am going to teach about Lisp programming in AI. Lisp is a list processing. Lisp. John McCarthy invented in Lisp in 1958. Shortly after the development of Fortran. It was implemented by Steve Russell on an IBM 704 computer. It is particularly suitable for artificial intelligence program as it processes symbolic information effectively. The common Lisp originated during the 1980s and 1990s in attempt to unify the work of several implementation groups that were successor to MacLisp like Zeta Lisp and NIL, new implementation of Lisp programming. It serves as a common language which can be easily extended for specific implementation. These are the some features of list processing. It's a machine independent. It uses iterative design methodology and easy extensibility. It allows updating the programs dynamically. It provides high level debugging. It provides advanced object oriented programming. It provides a convenient macro system. These are wide-ranging data types like object, structures, list, vector, adjustable array, hash table, and symbols. It's an expression-based programming language. It provides object-oriented condition system. It provides a complete IO library. It provides extensive control structure. Those are the some of the applications of list processing. The large successful application built in LISP, Emacs, G2, AutoCAD, AutoCAD, Ignore, Engraver, and Yahoo Store. These are all the um, some of the things which is in Lisp programming. In Lisp programming, three basic building blocks are there: atomic, string, and then functions. The atom is a number of or string of contiguous character. It includes number and special characters. This is an example of some valid atoms. Hello from tutorials point. Name 12300 something like that. Hello block hash 221 ABC 123. This is an example program. In this basic building block, the list is a sequence of atoms and our other list enclosed in branches. The example is for some valid list. I am a list within bracket A, comma, ABC, comma, DE, FGH, parenthesis closed. Father, Tom, Susan, Bill, Joe. Son, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is one type of list. The main features of the production system include IM list is a one list. Um, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, up to Saturday is another list. Susan, Bill, Joe is a three members are in one list. Father Tom is another one list. The main features of the production system include the string is a group of character encloses a double quotation mark. This is an example of some valid strings. I am a string A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G. Please enter the following details. Follow from tutorials point. List data type. There are two different data types are the in LISP, scalar data type, data structure. Scalar data type is a number types, character, symbols, etc. Data structure is a list, vector, bit vectors, and strings. Any variable can take any Lisp object as its value unless you have declared it explicitly. This is a define variable. Example program for a defined variable. Define variable x is 10, define variable y is 34.567, define variable ch is nil, define variable n is 123.78, define variable bg is something like that, define variable r is 124 divided by 2. Print type of x, print type of y, print type of n, print type of ch, print type of bg and type of r. Type of function which returns the data type of the particular function. The simple program is a Lisp. Integer 0 number, single float null, single float, integer 0 281479976710655. Global variables are generally declared using the define variable construct. Live demo. By using a defining variable function def where x is a 234 and right of x, writing a function to display the value of the variable x in the screen. In that LISP, to include to type the source program into the any editor, notepad or window editor, vi editor in Ubuntu, and then type the program, save the program in filename.lisp. To execute the program in the command button, command terminal, control E. The output will be 234. These are the sum of the data types in Lisp. Big number, atom, float, path name, simple vector, and then single float, standard character, string character, symbol. Next one, function, hash table, integer, keyword, list, long float. And then big number, bit is a vector, character, common and compiled function. Keyword, integer. The simple program. File the main.lisp and type the following code. Set q x is 10, set q y is 20, format t x equal to 2d, y is equal to 2d, 2 decimal point, percentage x is comma y, x and y. Set q x is 100, y is set q y is 200, format t x equal to 2d, y is equal to 2d xy. First one is output is x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Second one output is x equal to 100, y is equal to 200. This is a sample output of the following code. In that Lisp programming, we install the file clisp in that Windows or Ubuntu. In Windows, to type the file in Notepad and store the file in filename.lisp and save the file, and then after that in the command terminal press Ctrl E to display the output. In Ubuntu, type the file in vi editor or notepad and save the file in filename.lisp and execute the file by using the Control E or pressing the Control E button in the command terminal and execute the file. And the Lisp programming is nothing but a languages in the Fortran. Fortran is a formula translator. Another one program is a area of circle. To calculate the area of circle, a define function construct is used for defining a function. Create a file main.lisp and type the following code in it. Define constant pi is 3.141592. Define function area of circle of radius. Enter pri and then temporary variable and then format t radius 5f radius. This is a floating value, 5-digit floating value. 5F. Format T, percentage area, 10F, PI, radius, and then area of circle 10. This output of the program is 3.141592 into the temporary variable is for example 5 means into 5 into 5. This output. This output of the following program. When you click the execute button or type Control E, the Lisp execute that immediately, and then result will be radius is for example 10.0 means you enter. Then calculate the area is 314.1592. This output of the above program. That's all.